Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to come into alignment with whatever it is you're manifesting at the moment. And the sun came through. So it's all about connecting with fun, joy, really getting into that playful energy to really start to really raise that vibration, that feeling of joy and fun and playfulness, because that's what it is. That's what you're here to do. You're here to have fun. You're here to create. And whilst you're doing that, the more fun you can have doing it, because that's what it's about. When we're manifesting what we want to have fun doing that. And that's what this card's telling you to do, to really focus on the fun of things. Then you come into alignment with the things that you want because you're in that frequency, you're in that vibration, and things just come in much faster because you're feeling good, and you're feeling good without your manifestation. And usually when we feel good, everything we want comes in because we're in that frequency, we're in that vibration of fun and playfulness and excitement and joy. So here's the message for you all out there today to come into alignment with your manifestation, really get into that feeling of joy, that really, when the sun's shining and you feel great and the sky's blue and you're outside and you just feel this exhilaration for life and excitedness. That's the kind of energy that you need to focus on so you can really align with whatever it is you're manifesting at the moment. Alrighty, I hope you've enjoyed the reading and I'll catch you all soon. Bye.